So suppose we're dealing with a standard deck of 52 cards with 4 aces in it, and we're going to draw 2 cards without replacement. That means that we're going to draw the first card and we're not going to put it back into the deck before we draw the second card. And we want to know, A, is the first card is an ace, and B, is the second card is an ace. In this scenario, are A and B dependent or independent? And then we want to find the probability of A and B, of getting the first card as an ace and the second card is an ace. Now, we're actually going to kind of answer 2, and that will help us to answer 1. So let's think of it this way. I'm going to make 2 blanks for my 2 draws of the card. All right, so the first card is an ace. Well, there's 4 aces in a deck of 52 cards. So the probability of getting an ace is 4 out of 52. Now, assume that we actually got an ace. All right, well, then what's the probability that the second card is an ace? Now, let's keep in mind that we got an ace on the first card, and we're keeping that out of the deck. Well, there's now 51 cards in the deck, and there's now 1 less ace. So the probability of getting the second card as an ace is 3 out of 51. Now, notice that getting the first card as an ace affected the probability of getting the second card as an ace. So these were dependent. Sorry about my dog. All right, now it turns out that this is the probability of A and B if we go ahead and multiply this together. So let's go ahead and do that, and I'll get 12 over 52 times 51, 2652. And I think that 12 might go into 2652. Let's see if it does. It does. So 12 goes into itself once and into 2652 221 times. So there's our probability of getting 2 aces, one right after the other, from the deck. Now, let's consider the second scenario. In the second scenario, let's go back here. We are going to change it so that we put the first card back in, reshuffle the deck, and then draw the second card. So we're drawing with replacement. Are A and B dependent or independent? All right, so let's go back here. And again, let's make 2 blanks, and let's think of this scenario. So I draw a card from the deck. What's my chance of getting an ace? Well, it's 4 out of 52. Then I put that card back in the deck, I reshuffle the deck, and I draw again. What's my chance of getting an ace? Well, it's the same because I put the card back into the deck and I reshuffled. So in this case, the probability of getting an ace did not change because of the first card that was drawn. So these are independent events. All right, so let's multiply that out. That's going to give us 16 over 52 times 52, 2704. And I'm pretty sure that 16 goes into 2704. It goes 169 times, so that's 1 over 169. And that's the probability of A and B happening.